Hi, I'm from Asin Law Office, and today I'm going to explain why your first statement is so critical in a sexual offense investigation at the Seoul Dongdaemun Police Station. Unlike other cases, sexual offense investigations often rely more on the flow of statements than on physical evidence. Your very first statement, in particular, becomes the starting point that sets the direction for the entire investigation. The investigation record is typically built around that initial testimony. Even if you add more details later, that first version leaves a strong impression. It might sound absurd, but in practice, your first words frame the entire case. That's why it's essential to organize the facts chronologically before you even walk into the interrogation room. If you speak definitively about something you're not sure of, you might have to retract it later. This immediately raises questions about your credibility. It may feel unfair, but the record will be coldly compared. This is why strategically saying, "I do not know," or "I do not remember clearly," can be a valid part of your defense. During an actual consultation, we don't jump to conclusions about the case. We first carefully review the timeline, location, conversations, and what happened afterward. Just as a doctor wouldn't schedule surgery based only on symptoms, legal issues require a detailed examination first. This preparation is what prevents your first statement from falling apart under pressure. Criminal cases don't just end with the investigation. We submit written opinions if necessary and continue to support you through trial if you're indicted. In sexual offense cases, the key issues are consent and awareness, which is why a structured presentation of facts is more important than emotional appeals. This is also why the approach is different from other types of crimes. We focus on the structure of the incident itself. Since 2009, handling both criminal and civil cases, my guiding principle has always been consistency from start to finish. Since opening our office in 2014, we've maintained a clean record with no disputes related to our case handling, all thanks to this consistent approach. We prepare for every case as if the investigation is happening tomorrow. Ultimately, your first statement isn't just an answer, it's the launch point that determines the direction of your case. How you design that launch is what matters most. At Asin Law Office, we apply this standard across criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law. If you need a consultation, please refer to the description box below. Subscribing and liking helps us provide more detailed legal advice.